The Evolution controller is designed to streamline the programming process. No more turning dials or flipping switches. Nearly every function needed is just a couple of clicks away. Once installed, set the time and date. To do this, press the red Help Setup button on the touchpad. From there, use the navigation buttons to scroll down to Set Time Date. Press the Select button and then adjust the time and date to your local settings. At any time during this process, press the Home button to be brought back to the main menu. Next, establish a watering schedule. Start by pressing the Schedule button from the row of shortcut icons on the touchpad. From here, you'll be prompted to choose water days. Using the navigation keys, determine the days you'd like your system to water. Press the Select button to approve. Certain cities and municipalities have watering restrictions, so be aware of local policies. Next, select when Evolution should run during a watering day. From the Schedule menu, select the Schedule Starts option and scroll through and adjust the start times using the navigation keys. A start time will run all of the zones in the schedule once. If you'd like to run all zones again in the same day, you can add a second start time. Press the Schedule Start menu, select Add Start, then adjust to the desired start time. Once you've established the days you'd like to water and the start times you'd like to irrigate, you'll need to designate how long to water each zone per scheduled start. The Evolution controller will recognize the total number of zones available based on the controller's configuration. By selecting Zone Run Times from the Schedules menu, determine the length of time needed to apply water to each zone. Select the desired time, then press Select to approve each setting. You can download Toro's free Evolution scheduling software from toro.com/evolution to customize the names of each of your zones. For example, you can name Zone 1 Front Yard or Zone 3 Back Patio. To add water at any time, press the Water Now button. From here, Evolution gives you three options. You can start the existing schedule, start a specific zone or set of zones by scrolling through Zone using the up-down arrows to set a time, or you can select All Zone Test, which runs through each zone for a set time. This feature is ideal for blowing out the system at the end of the season or to ensure proper system operation. The All Zone Test will only operate active zones and won't operate any valves that are not assigned to a schedule. Adjust the amount of water applied to each zone by using the Adjust Water button. Increase the percentage of water applied to the entire schedule, or increase or decrease the run times of individual zones to fine-tune the water needs of the property. After installing the Evolution controller, you can check all your settings by clicking this Review button. At any time, you can stop watering by pressing the large red Water Off button in the upper left corner of the controller. You'll have the option of selecting when you want to resume watering, as scheduled, within 1 to 14 days, or whenever you choose. If you do not make any selection, the controller will continue with regularly scheduled irrigation by default. If you want to add additional seasonal schedules or integrate smart controls into your system, you can access those features by navigating through the Advanced Features button. The Evolution controller, a perfect balance of simplicity and sophistication.